Good morning, class 7th. Today we will learn the next topic, that is how to express large number in standard form. So in this I am going to explain you about the large number representation in standard form. Clearly I have taken one example here, 270659. Here I have to represent this number in standard form. What I have to do, in order to represent this number in standard form, you have to put decimal after first number. That means you have to put decimal here. So right now the decimal is here. So count from here how many places you have to shift decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 places you have to shift decimal, but you have been shifting the decimal to left from here. So that means you are raising how many powers? You have to raise the power of 10 up to 5, because you have shifted 5 points from here up to here. So this is the standard form representation of the given number, 2.70659 into 10 की power 5. This is the standard form. Next one is 42750000. So right now the decimal is here. You have to shift this decimal after 4. So how will you do it? Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you have to shift 8 places from right to left. So you have to raise the power of 10 how many times? 8 times. So the power of 10 is raised how many times? 8 times, and the decimal is shifted here. So you have written the standard form representation of this number as 4.275 into 10 की power 8. This is the standard form representation. Next one is express in usual form. You have to represent the given number in standard form in usual form. Simply it is very simple to represent it. 6.28 into 10 की power 6. You have to represent in usual form. Simply multiply the given number by 10 की power 6. So 10 की power 6 means the decimal will be shifted to right side how many times? How many places? 6 places. Right now after decimal how many places are present? 2 places. So you will add 4 more zeros. 4 more zeros. After adding 4 more zeros, you will shift this decimal to after 6 places. Okay, hence the power 10 की power 6 is resolved like this. This is the usual form representation of this number. Next one is 9.2 into 10 की power 3. That means right now the decimal is here. You have to shift this decimal to right how many places? 3 places, because 10 की power is 3. So first the decimal will jump from here to here, and after that you will add 2 more zeros. So what is the decimal usual form representation of this number? 9200. This is the answer. Okay, next one is number is expanded form. Number in expanded form. Number is expanded form is, write this number 86043. 86043. 72 in expanded form. So how will you write it? You have written this number first, and after that you have to multiply each number by its place value. By its place value. So here 2 is at 1's place, then it will be multiplied by 10 की power 0. Here 7 is in 10's place. Here we have to multiply 7 by 10. Then after that 3 is in 100 plates. Then you have to multiply 3 by 10 की power 2. Here 4 is in 1000 place. Then you have to multiply 4 by 1000. Then 1000 can be written as 10 की power 3. Here 0 is in 10,000 place. Then you have to multiply this 10 की power 4. 6 is in 1 lakh. Then you have to multiply this by 10 की power 5. And here 8 is in 10 lakh place, then you have to multiply 8 by 10 की power 6. So in order to represent the given number in its expanded form, you have to just multiply it by its place value. So place value, why multiplying by place value? 8 should be written as 8 into 10 की power 6. 6 should be written as 6 into 10 की power 5. 0 is written as 0 into 10 की power 4. And 4, next is 4 is written as 4 into 10 की power 3. 3 is written as 3 into 10 की power 2. And 7 is written as 7 into 10 की power 1. And 2 is written as 2 into 10 की power 0. This is all about the expressing large number in expanded form. Next, I have solved some of the questions from exercise 5b. Kindly go through it. First question is, you have to represent this number in standard form. 82934 0 0 0 0 0 0. So right now the decimal is present over here. Now you have to shift this decimal after 8. So count from here how many places you have to shift. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have to shift 10 places of decimal from here to here. So you will write 8.2934 into 10 की power 10. This is the required standard form representation of given number. Next one is, diameter of earth is represented in meters as 12756,000. You have to represent this number in standard form. What you will do, you have first the decimal is present over here. You have to shift this decimal after 1. Then you will count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what will be the answer? 1.2756 into 10 की power 7. This is the required standard form representation. Next, you have to represent this number in expanded form. Expanded form means you have to multiply each digit by its place value. What is the place value of 2? 1. You have to multiply 1 by 10 की power 0. What is the place value of 0? 10 की power 1, 10th place, because 0 is present in 10th place. 5 is present in 100 plates. You have to multiply it by 100. 100 means 10 की power 2. And 4 is in 1000 place. Then you have to multiply 4 by 10 की power 3. 8 is in 10,000 place. You have to multiply 8 by 10 की power 4. And 6 is in 1 lakh place. Then you have to multiply 6 by 10 की power 5. So simply the expanded form representation of given number is 6 into 10 की power 5, 8 into 10 की power 4, 4 into 10 की power 3, 5 into 10 की power 2, 0 into 10 की power 1 plus 2 into 10 की power 1. This is the expanded form representation of given number. So this is the end of chapter 5. Hope you will understand this concept from this video and complete your homework and submit it on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.